Say hi. I love you. Do you remember what today is? It's my birthday. Happy birthday, Mommy. Are you in your tree house or clubhouse? Playhouse. Playhouse. There is a skull on the cross there. And it's just accidental that it's a cross. There's no bad meaning behind that. Oh my gosh. I see you, I see you, I see you. What the? I know it. Isn't it beautiful?
No, look at this.
It's an inner tube. Why is it taped up like that?
What?
Oh, it's a life buoy. A life buoy. Ah! No, not my birthday makeup. I don't ever wear makeup, hardly. Not like this, at least. But there's the little thingies from... It's a spider.
No, Mom.
What, baby?
Don't go up there.
Why not?
Don't go on that bridge.
That bridge has been around for a really long time. I used to walk over that bridge. It used to be brand new. Beautiful day in the neighborhood. It's a beautiful day in this neighborhood. The Matrix. If anybody catches that, I'm on the same page as you. Beautiful. Illinois can be beautiful. Swing you. Push you. Can I push you with my foot?
No.
You can swing yourself. Pump those legs. Pump them.
No, I can't.
You can't. All right, you all. That's probably the most you'll see of my children. This one. My other one has asked that he never be on screen. So, just today, we're going to go down past, it's Southern Illinois, so you may not know the area at all, but look it up if you don't. Giant City, Illinois. All right. There's giants there. Maybe. Are there giants there, Si?
No.
Have a good one, everyone. September 4th.
Mommy, I was in Giant City for you met me. And for you met me, I was in Giant City. There's giants there, but they all died. Alright?
Well, you were okay.
And they died. Alright?
Okay. I'm not sure what that means, but because I gave birth to you, so I was alive first.
It means they're all dead.
All the giants?
They're all dead.
Well, you must know what you're talking about. He's a very smart child. I always say he was born, he's special. Are you special, mister? With your Wayne boots on? Tell everybody bye.